Hello everyone, this is Gabriel, your AceVacuums service technician. We are located at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about the technician's perspective on the Riccar Superlight model R10S vacuum. I'm going to go over a few pros and cons to give you my honest opinion on this vacuum cleaner, which hopefully will help you all make a better informed purchase decision. Here are the cons. To start with, point number one, lack of tools. As you can see, there are no tools. If you're looking for a vacuum with tools and attachments, this is not the vacuum for you. The Superlight series vacuums are simple and designed to clean large surfaces only, like your carpets, rugs or floors, and designed to clean larger surfaces only. So point number two is direct air motor. Direct motors are great because they allow air to pass through them to keep them internals cool. However, in a vacuum, all the debris that you pick will also pass through the motor. If the objects you vacuum are larger than a size of a quarter, you are more likely to damage the motor fan, hence increasing your maintenance costs. So point number three is no Hall sensor. The purpose of the Hall sensor on a vacuum is to signal the motor to stop spinning the roller brush. So in case of an obstruction, it can prevent all the belt from breaking. Sadly, the R10S does not come with that Hall sensor capability, but Riccar has other lightweight vacuums such as the R10P and R17. They come with a Hall sensor capability. That takes us to point number four, plastic outer body cord hook. Not the most attractive part of a vacuum cleaner, but definitely one of the most used parts. The cord hook is often used to unwrap the cord from a vacuum cleaner, usually with a twist or a turn. Plastic cord hooks just aren't as reliable as the metallic ones in terms of durability. Now let's move on to the pros of this vacuum. It is lightweight, only 9 pounds, super easy to carry around the house, up and down the stairs. It's got a handle where you can just grip it on and go up and down the stairs with ease. So that makes it really a lightweight vacuum. Point number two is self-sealing HEPA bags. Here it is. Self-sealing HEPA bag meets the HEPA filtration standard of 99.97% efficiency at 0.3 microns. That's one of the best features of this vacuum. Self-sealing bags are simple to attach, just like this. And as you remove it, when the bag is full, this thing just slips in and close your bag so that the dust doesn't pops out. So that saves you from messing up your sweater or something like that. So that's the self-sealing HEPA bag for you. And point number four is metal brush that comes with the replaceable brush strips. A strong metal roller is designed to perform well and to last for many years with the brush strips replaceable. They reduce the overall cost and maintenance of your vacuum, as in most cases you would replace the entire roller. Whereas here all that you need to do is just replace this brush strip. So point number five, it comes with 2-speed motor. This is the 2-speed motor performing a high power, which makes it perfect for the house owners with carpets, rugs, and bare floors. So that's one of the great features of this vacuum. So well then, this brings to the end of our video. I hope this overview has helped solve some of your questions about the Riccar Superlight vacuum. If you have any more questions, please leave it down in the comment section, as we would love to hear from you. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, thank you everyone for tuning in. Bye-bye.